So the past few weeks I've been working on a fake ad commercial. I'll show you how I brainstormed my way to the finale, and all I needed was Blender and tutorials, and luckily I figured it out. And at first I was gonna do a milk ad, but I thought it'd be simple based on what I know from going the milk ad to a Gameboy ad, because I do a lot more gaming and anime brands. So I thought that'd be great to do, and I definitely want to just jump into it. So the first thing I wanted to do was to do a Ghibli kind of style. I tried out trying different styles. I went for like a separate line, like different colors, like a white or just colorful look, and I got what I wanted. But I had a story about doing a milk ad. I thought doing that would be simple. Just have it be delivered to a grocery store and then a kitchen. It just didn't feel that strong. It just felt kind of flat. And I even showed like some art colleagues of mine, and it just didn't work out. The story wasn't clear, and so I went on YouTube, I started over, and I saw some tutorials, like this mushroom tutorial account, like do 3D style. So I looked at it and I followed some of the shaders, and it ended up just coming out with this style right here. And it reminded me of like the PS2, like old vintage style. And I already do like stylized work like this, so it's already really nice. And I thought like, hey, PS2 style, hey, I play games and stuff, so let's just do a Game Boy. Right? So why not just change the story? So same thing, had a train station. Like as a kid, I can relate. Like I would have my Game Boy from school, put it in my pocket. A little small enough too, unlike the big things we have here. Now I'm just, hey, I'm gonna go home, have my Game Boy. I wasn't allowed to play Monday through Friday as well, so I would always try to hide it. A backpack of the Game Boy, and I found an animation on Mixamo. But then after I just went and did the scene, had the camera, had the same inside shot of the train, I just moved the camera. And I put some like cube backgrounds to pretend they're houses because it's stylized. So I did yellow and blue because it was easy to do. The train pulled in, the kid's playing the Game Boy, and now he's coming home, it's come to a stop. So audience is like, hey, he's done here. I even tried using a grease pencil, which is just like a black outline. When I was rendering the Game Boy, which is a model I borrowed, it kept flickering, like the lights kept flickering. So I was like, maybe not. After I had that, I just zoomed in, I got a desk assets. Some of the assets I just grabbed them from online. I just went to like a scene where it's gonna be hanging, and this would be the final shot. Just a little movement, just to show some animation. If you guys want to also learn about the shaders, I also have a quick tutorial on how you can achieve some of these similar shaders. It's really flexible, so you can go ahead and change it, but I just have a little brief explanation how you can do some of the shaders for your environment if you want to check that out. I was definitely happy how it turned out, because I'm like, hey, you got a kid in the train station waiting for it, he has the Game Boy, and I made sure the style was good here. You see the Game Boy among everything. The black really helps a lot. Next, we have the train station. The kid's playing a Game Boy. It's like, hey, this kid's in the train playing the Game Boy. That Game Boy is always going to be with you. Next, we have the train slowing down. We're ready to go, get out. Okay, easy to do, put the Game Boy in your pocket. Next, he goes home, he's gonna study. And then next we have the Game Boy just hanging out right there with this lovely style. And so I have the animation kind of done right here. I went ahead and just put it all together. I made some train sounds, add some music, and maybe it was not Ghibli, but it ended up going for a style that I really like. Watching a lot of videos, experimenting, so that was really nice. And after 16 seconds, a little bit more than 20 seconds, and about 2 weeks of just brainstorming, doing some storytelling, and ended up going with this kind of project. And this is my second kind of fake ad for environment I did. I did do a keyboard ad. I did like a little breakdown if you want to check it out, but I'm just trying to figure out like how to get better doing product animations, how 3D environment works, just to show other marketing teams or other brands. It's just really nice to just give a presentation of my skills and what I can offer them, but at the same time showing like what can the 3D environment do for a product. That's the main goal I want to represent. I know there's a lot of stuff I could have done, maybe add some more details. I was still trying to figure it out, and I might go with the style a lot more. But if you guys have any other questions, just let me know. I'm always happy to answer maybe how I did the node, especially right here. This is like the whole node process I did. You can go ahead and change it and do it all yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next one.